A great good morning to all my students. A great good morning to all my students here. Students, I am Zia ma'am here and I came with a beautiful poem, and the name of the poem is My Computer Ate My Homework. Can you imagine this? Computer eating our homework. Yes, but it happened. And this particular poem is being written by the famous you can say poet, you can say playwright, and his name is none other than Ken Nesbitt. Okay, Ken Nesbitt, and he is an American poet. Okay, students, first of all, before starting the poem, it is my prime responsibility to explain you about, tell you something about the poet or the person who has written something. Okay, so Ken Nesbitt, and he was born on 1962, and he is an American poet. Now, the main speciality of Ken Nesbitt is in whatever poem he used to write, or he keeps on writing it. It's full of mishappenings or based on unusual happenings, which we cannot think of, and which can happen. And also, his work includes a lot of anthropology. Now, what do you mean by anthologies? Okay, sorry, it is anthology. So what do you mean by anthologies? Anthologies means a collection of poetry. When we say the collection of poetry is called as, anthology. So that is how it is about this the poet Ken Nesbitt, and his famous poem is also one more poem is there. My dog does my dog does my homework. This is also one of the very comedy type of poem. This is it. Now let's come to the poem, my dear students. Now come to the poem, and there are totally 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 stanzas, and this stanzas is going to be very interesting for you all. Now come to the first stanza first of all. Okay, now let me just on my brush also here, as you can see. Now this is this. Now look at the first stanza, which is this. Now in the first stanza, as you can see, it is been written, my computer ate my homework. Yes, it's troublesome but true, though it did not gnaw or nibble, and it did not champ or chew. In this, one small boy is narrating his mishappening, you can say, in which he is telling कि one day my computer ate my homework, which is troublesome. ये सोचना मुश्किल है, ओके, लेकिन it is true, but it is fact, it is true. Though, हालांकि the computer doesn't know here means biting. I have written here also. Biting means इसको चिबाना, and nibble means biting in in small bits. Okay, जब छोटे छोटे पीस करके बाइट करते हैं. Also, and it did not chomp or chew. और ना ही कंप्यूटर कुछ खाता है, ना ही उसको पीस में करता. But why the computer has eaten my homework? So what happened here is, one day one boy was doing some computer work. So in the process of doing the computer work, okay, what he has done, instead of saving the work, he has not saved, because when we type anything in the computer or in the laptop, okay, before leaving it, we just save that particular document. So this boy hasn't saved anything, so just he has pressed escape, and he has completed his work. So when again he sat in the evening to check his work, what he saw, and he was astonished, startled, because he saw that there was no saved documents, and he was scratching his head, and he was thinking, what, this computer ate my homework. Where are my works? The work which the documents which I have typed in and all, where are that work? So it's a kind of we can say the funny stuff here. So, and he was very much worried. So what happened with my homework? So that was क्या computer ने मेरा homework खा लिया? Did computer eat my homework? But computer doesn't know. No or nibble. Second stanza is, it digested. Now look at the second stanza, students. It digested it completely. It consumed my homework whole when I pressed the shift and enter keys instead of shift control. So here that poet is telling, so here he is telling that the boy is narrating, oh, it digested it completely. It consumes means pura kha jana, my homework whole when I press the shift and enter keys. But actually, I should press shift and control, then I might have saved my work. I devoured my hours of typing. Devoured means, miss, it destroyed all my miss all these long hours. I was sitting just before computer and I have did a hard work. But what this computer has done, mera sara kaam kha gaya. He has eaten all my work and wasted all my time. Every picture, chart and graph, and it left me most unsettled. Unsettled here means worried. Here the poet is very much worried, as you can see here. I tried to make out smileys with my video recorder brush. Okay. Next one. I would guess it was a virus. It's a root virus hoga, or it could have been a worm that deleted every bit, but it didn't prompt me to confirm. Hey, it may be a virus one, or it may be a worm, but before reading, at least the computer might have reminded me ताकि हम जल्दी से जाके फटाफट सेव कर लेते. But that I couldn't do because computer did not prompt me. हमको बोला नहीं. I was not knowing, and instead of pressing here shift control, I have pressed shift and enter. My work went. Rest in peace. What to do? Okay, let's come to this stanza, students. Now look at this beautiful stanza. I suppose I might have pressed escape instead of pressing save, but regardless, my computer now will never misbehave. Now, he's telling that I suppose I might have pressed escape button, ESC, instead of pressing save. So if you are doing anything in the computer and if you want to save it, common sense, we press save. Okay, but instead of that, the boy has pressed escape, God. But regardless, my computer now will never misbehave. Next time, what I will do, every time I'll do my work, I will save it so that my computer will never try to misbehave. Look at the last stanza. And here the boy is acting very smart. I know how to solve the problem. Look at this. For I found a good solution. I smiled to hear the crash when I chucked it out the window and it landed in the trash. This means here the boy is telling her, hello computer, you are not so smart. I am smarter than you. So why I am smarter than you? I am smarter than you because I know how to save my work and I got the work. Whatever work I thought that you might have eaten or my work got, destroyed or my time got wasted. No. My work is there and I found all my documents or work in my trash bin. You might have heard about recycle bin, okay? Trash bin. So in trash bin, finally, my computer has saved my work. So I was wrong in saying that my computer ate my homework. No, computer did not eat my homework. Okay. So, but next time I should better learn how to save the work before, just logging out from my computer. So this was a poem written very beautifully by Ken Nesbitt. Students, you need to learn, just go through the stanzas and just learn the meaning of it. My computer ate my homework by Ken Nesbitt. Thank you for watching it. Have a nice day. If you like, subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you.